Hello everyone and welcome to the vlog. Say hello, Harley.
Hello.
Harley's going to be helping me try all the pop that we showed you on our last vlog. See what you like. You want to pick one first?
I would go for the cherry Coke.
So first, we're going to try cherry Coke. We have this in England, don't we?
Yeah.
You try first?
Okay. That's good.
Is it good?
Yeah. This is good.
Yeah, very nice.
Yep.
Cherry Coke is one of my favourites.
Yeah.
You want to pick another one?
So you're gonna try that one.
Then I'm gonna have the energy drink one.
Okay. What's this one?
This one's coconut water. Do you want to try that one?
Yeah.
And this is from, let's have a look. Daddy found out over there where it's from.
England?
Thailand.
Oh, Thailand.
From Thailand, this one.
Yeah.
Do you want to try this one first, or do you want Daddy to go first?
Me.
Alright then.
I take the taste. Oh my goodness.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like that one as well? No. No? No.
No.
We're not a fan of that one.
No.
It's hard to explain what it tastes like, really.
It's just
It's got a little hint of coconut, but it's got chunks in. That's jelly. Bit like aloe vera. Not a fan of that one, are we, Harley?
Let's go for this one.
No, we'll leave that one to last.
Okay. Let's try this one.
That one?
Yeah.
What's that one?
Pepsi?
Pepsi? Pepsi lime.
Oh, I've tried that one,
You've
yeah.
not tried that one before, have you? You're going first or Daddy?
You go first.
Daddy will go first on this one then.
It tastes like.
Daddy likes that one.
Yeah, I'm sure. Okay, it happens. That's
Good?
Yeah.
Harley likes that one. I like that one. That's really nice.
I'll choose this one.
What's that one there, mate? Let's put that one down there because it's a bottle.
It's a Fanta.
Fanta, nearly. Good boy.
Yeah.
This is Fanta Peach.
Fanta Peach. I've never tried peach before. Okay, you.
That's good. You'll like that one. Yeah?
Yeah.
That one's really nice. Really sweet. Really peachy. Oh. Right, which one now?
I would probably go for this one.
Crushed pineapple?
I haven't. I don't like pineapple.
Are you sure?
No, I don't like pineapple.
I think you do.
I have no idea.
Oh, try that one, Harley.
Okay.
Really nice. Try it properly. Good boy. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's nice. Daddy likes that one.
Daddy.
That's
I'm gonna pick
not as fizzy as I thought it were going to be.
Okay.
It's really, really nice. Really
I'm gonna
juicy.
leave these two for last. So I'll choose this one. I've never.
No.
I don't know if
I was going to try root beer for the first time.
Yeah.
Daddy tried it last week. It is an acquired taste. People in the comment section said, oh, you need to try it with vanilla ice cream. Which, when we go to Florida next year, I'm going to try.
Yeah. Yeah. See what it tastes like.
So it tastes like with ice cream with it.
Yeah. Okay, you go first.
Daddy likes it.
I know, but I haven't tried it. Oh, is that nice?
Yeah, what do you think?
You know, kid, that nearly tastes like toothpaste, doesn't it?
It's not toothpaste. It tastes like, do you know what Daddy puts on his knees and his back when it hurts? DP.
Oh, yeah, it's DP, I think.
Yeah, it smells like that one, doesn't it?
So these two are for last, so I'm going to try them.
Well, that one we'll save the milkshake for last.
Okay, that one.
And Daddy will try this
Wait,
Ray's energy drink limited edition.
Can we both try it?
Well, this one?
Yeah.
You can... A very small sip.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see what this one tastes like.
That's my first time. This is where I scared at animals. Is that one good?
Have a little try. Just a little one. Tastes like cola?
Yeah.
That one tastes like Coca-Cola but flat.
Yeah.
Still nice.
And here I've got the strawberry milkshake.
This is... It likes milk beer, love.
What?
Doesn't
I
it?
like it.
I said it tastes a bit like toothpaste.
Oh, right, okay.
But it's been waiting for this one since we opened it, basically.
Oh yeah, my big mum.
Obviously, Mummy and Daddy were both working late
Are
yesterday,
you gonna try this?
so
I might do.
by the time we got in, it was late. And I live in bed, so there you go, mate. You can have the first try of that one. Good. They're good?
Did you know that I might drink all of that one? Has it back to me? I'm gonna drink it all.
In a minute. You can wait a minute. That just tastes like watered down strawberry milkshake, if I'm honest.
Yeah.
Not a fan.
It's good.
I'll
It's
try.
good, though.
Sarah's going to try some now because she's been outside.
Yeah.
Not
No.
my acquired taste.
There you go. Ali likes it. Winner, winner. That's the energy drink one, love.
That one's not bad.
Tastes like flat cola.
Yeah.
Well, also that one is disgusting, isn't it?
Which
yeah,
one?
The
Yeah.
Coke.
This one.
That one.
Yes. It's disgusting.
I am not trying that root beer. That is
Sarah tried it last week. She didn't like it. So that one's all mine. This
that one.
crushed pineapple, that one's really nice. A lot of people.
Is this one nice, Harley?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some people said try the grape one if we can get it. And I think the grape one they sell at the garage up the road. So we might take a trip tomorrow and see what other
You reckon her mummy will like her this one?
other
Yeah.
pop we can find. You can sit down with that because you just have to spell it.
That one would be alright with a bit of gin in it.
Oh, there you go, big drinker. Fanta Peach.
Is this one nice, Harley?
I think the
Yeah.
Fanta Peach would be nice with a bit of rum in it. To be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Fanta's a winner.
Now we've got
Oh,
the
you want
cherry
me to try
coke.
that
Cherry
one?
Coke.
Cherry coke. That one is super duper nice. It's sweet.
That one's nice, and it's nice and sweet, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now we need a bigger table. We've got it on kids' dinner table. It's about 2.5 foot wide by
Is this
a
one
foot
nice,
and a half.
Harley? Harley, is this one nice?
Let's try. Mm-hmm. Is it? It's sweet. Sweet.
Mm.
Hey, Mummy, look. I can.
And the one that me and Harley didn't like
Is that one?
is this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Is this one not nice, Harley?
No. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. Is it?
I don't like bits for drinking, so orange juice with pulping and that I do not like.
Oh, Mummy, is it?
So I don't like that one.
At the moment, it tastes like a burnt out e-cig liquid coil.
That's because you've been out with that, puffing on that. That's them all. Some were good, some are bad. I think
Good.
we got five,
One,
at least
two,
5
three,
favourites,
four,
didn't we?
five.
Ali got a milkshake. Ali like, how many did you like, Ali?
I like 1,
6, didn't
2,
7.
3, 4, 5, 6,
You like
7,
the
'cause you
root
like-
beer?
8.
Harley, did you like the root beer?
Are you sure you said you liked it?
Yeah.
You wanna
This one?
try it
You
for
want
me
to try it
again?
again? Show mummy.
Mm-hmm.
Might not taste nice after your milkshake.
Yes,
It's good. There you go. And that was our candy mail. And we've decided to try and get Harley to try more food, sweets,
New stuff.
drinks, because
Drinks.
he prefers chicken nuggets and chips, to
Picky.
be honest. He's a very picky eater, so we've decided that we're going to order a box a month. Is it a box a month for that one subscription you've got?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's in that one?
No idea.
We've no idea. That's another mystery one.
That should be here
But
soon.
it's like a mystery one from another country. So it's a bit like I did a snack crate one for Route 66, which brilliant box. Unfortunately,
Nice.
I ended up my subscription because they never took money out when it was meant to be coming out, so I was missing months of boxes.
Okay, nice.
But with the candymail.co.uk,
Okay.
that was just under £19 for the 8 drinks, plus postage and that was including postage and packaging. Ordered it Sunday, here Tuesday. Wednesday. Tuesday.
Yeah.
Wednesday. We're here Wednesday morning, that's right.
So yeah,
Are you going, mate?
Yep.
Alright then.
going to get my tablet. My tablet's
Wait a minute then. You'll be going to bed soon anyway.
fine. Also,
It's late. That's everything. Really? Have we got any updates?
Nope. I don't think so.
that's
Other than,
everything. Bye.
we're gonna.
Mm-hmm.
Other than what?
Other than we'll do another video when the other box arrives and get Harley to try some new foods from around the world and see if we can improve his taste buds a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, that's everything from me.
Out of all these, which one would you think was your favourite? Put a comment below. Also, we have got one thing planned. Hopefully, that's going to come out November.
Yeah, maybe around about November-ish when we're on our long weekend off.
Hopefully November weekend. That way we get 3 days off every week, one weekend a month, don't we?
Yeah.
If we work a Saturday, which we've done today. So hopefully we're going to do a studio tour for Harry Potter, which always wanted to do it since it opened. And now we've got, fingers crossed, we've got the chance to do. Next year, Florida in September to last 2 weeks of September, beginning of October, so we're there about a month. We're planning on getting married. Not sure how we're going to do about that yet. Villa's booked because we're staying completely off site. We're staying. Is it Kissing Me?
I think
Champions Gate and Kissing Me. We're staying. We've got to wait for flights to come out because obviously they've not been released for next year in England yet. A bit of a pain, I know, but it's just how it is.
got a lot of wedding planning to do.
We've got a lot of wedding planning to do. We've got to find someone who can do it for us. If you know anyone, a license. If you know anyone, or you've got married over in America before, stick a comment in comment section and let us know. We're grateful. I think that's it. We might do some more odd spontaneous days out because we don't really plan. We just go out, grab camera, see what's about. We've got to learn how to edit as well because when we went to zoo, we did over 2.5 hours worth of footage and I had to split it into 3 or 4 videos rather than condense all good stuff down. But if you know any editing programs or anything like that for us to try, drop a comment below, let us know. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time for another adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.